Become a certified yoga teacher with the Bouldering Project. This Yoga Alliance certified 200-hour teacher training consists of two parts. Part one is an in-person immersion where you will get to experience things that you cannot really do on your own. Things like practice teaching yoga, getting in the moment feedback, incorporating it right away so that you can hone your skills as a masterful yoga teacher. You will also learn hands-on assist, the correct alignment, the technique, what feels good, and things, more subtle things like seeing and running energy. And then lastly, you get to connect with an amazing community of like-minded people. And this is your opportunity to create friendships that will last you for the rest of your life. You'll get to experience tremendous personal growth that has the power to change the trajectory of your life. And then lastly, there is a self-study content that consists of 8 modules where we cover things like yoga anatomy, yoga philosophy, teaching methodology for power vinyasa flow, more practice teaching, different meditation techniques, pranayama or breathing techniques, and on and on and on. So the in-person immersion will take place in Washington, D.C. on April 6th through the 10th. And then you have the rest of the year to complete the 8 modules of the self-study content. This is a really convenient and quick way to become a masterful yoga teacher, a Yoga Alliance certified 200-hour yoga teacher training. I hope you will join me. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.